Hi, my name is Lori. These are my top 5 ideas for Mother's Day gifts. Some mothers are so busy that they don't have time to take care of their plants. These are perfect because they won't die. This one also, I like this one because it also has a secret pen if your mother likes making lists or works in an office. They all come out of the box. You can hide super stuff in there. And there's Venus flytraps, trees, and succulents. And of course, the beautiful daisy. These are diamond darts. They're relaxing ways to make art. They're beautiful. They're sparkly and look amazing masterpiece to hang in your home. The third recommendation for Mother's Day gifts is aprons. They come in a variety of colors, and they come with pockets, and they come with little stuff on them. These aprons are made from upcycled tablecloths, and they also come with a mask, just in case you have to go anywhere where you need a mask to cook. They're hand dyed. They fit a variety of sizes. They do not have ties. They would look fancy and comfortable at the same time. And mothers would like this to cook their favorite desserts. My fourth recommendation for Mother's Day gifts is Jigsaw Puzzles. Puzzles are just relaxing to do. They're fun to do. And they're fun to destroy after. Top recommendation number 5. Yarns come in a variety of colors. They're 100% acrylic. Go in the washer beautifully. Perfect for any project. They're very nice and soft. Beautiful. My